Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is actually it's now 14th, but it was 13th of July when my results came out of 12th boards, and it was so scary. But this video is pulling an all-nighter. Now my 12th results already came out. It was so hard, guys. It was literally so hard because I woke up at 12:30 and the results were declared at 1, and the website crashed and I had to wait 5 whole hours to see my result. It just sucked. It just sucked, and I was like so nervous, and I had to wait 5 freaking hours, and there was also no electricity for most of the time. So like it was just insane, but at the end it did pay off. So guys, in this video we'll have some fun, and right now it is 12:22 AM. Should I say AM? Yeah, it's AM, I guess. So I'll watch Real Madrid's match at 1:30 PM. Oh sorry, 1:30 AM, and I'll also click a photo like of me graduating. So I'll search up a video and make a graduation cap for myself. Let's see how that goes. Let's just search it up and see how it goes, because like I got no clue how it will go. Guys, I'm talking to my friend Dia, and she just got her new iPhone, so she's sending me the photo. I'm so happy for you, Dia. Hey guys, so I made my graduation cap. This is what it looks like. Clearly, I haven't lost my DIY skills, which is like amazing, because my Sam, if you didn't know, so guys, if you didn't know, my channel used to be called Sam DIY07, in which I showed DIYs, but the whole DIY thing just went off. I kind of switched to more like lifestyle videos, but I still love to do DIYs, and look, I clearly have got the skill. So I'll decorate this part as well. I'll make a really cool thing. I have it in mind. But for that, you'll want to head over to my Instagram to check out what I made. It's super amazing. It's super cool. So make sure you follow me. It's Samriddhi Awasthi. And I'll see you guys later. Guys, it's 4 AM. And yeah, I'm just trying to pull an all-nighter. Like, I'm not trying, I do it every day. So it's kind of like not new to me, because I literally stay awake the entire night. I sleep at 5 or sometimes even at 6, but like mostly at 5. It's like nothing new to me, but I'm kind of confused on what to do. Yeah, I just forgot to mention, I watched Real Madrid's match. They won, which is amazing. I mean, they won, yes, I'm just going to say that. And what should I do now? I'm a little tired now, to be honest. I don't really get tired. All I do at night is just watch like some Netflix and stuff, but I think that will be too boring for the vlog, so let's just do something interesting and let's see what I can do truly. So guys, I was kind of hungry, so I just like got some pizza from the fridge, and I'm going to eat cold pizza today. I hate doing this, but I'm just too lazy to like go and actually heat it up, so I'll just eat it cold. But I'll not eat the entire thing, I guess. Let's pose for the thumbnail as well. That was awkward. And the box is also damaged. I don't know why. I don't know why. You're being shy. Okay, I'll just stop being a directioner here. And like just pose for the thumbnail. I love it. I'll just give you a montage or something like that. Pizza. I just had the idea to play some quizzes, because you know what? That's what I actually do. BuzzFeed quizzes and like other quizzes as well. So let's go to BuzzFeed and let's take some quizzes, because I think that'll be a good idea. So let's just do that. Yeah. I'm gonna screen record it so you can see everything what I record over here. It will be amazing. So let's do it. I have BuzzFeed here. Let's just record the screen now. I think it's a great idea. No one ever does that, but I really want to. But it's not like in the Indian thing, like Indian teenager group sort of. So I'll do it. because I actually like do this quizzes. Harry Potter. Let's like just take some Harry Potter quizzes. I love Harry Potter. I'm thinking of rewatching like the entire series of Harry Potter. It'll be amazing, I guess. Okay, sorry muggles, only true wizards can identify all these 20 Harry Potter villains. Let's just like go and play this quiz. Okay guys, so the first question is click on Voldemort. Like, of course I do know Voldemort, it's correct. Dolores Umbridge, yeah. Lucius Malfoy, like Lucius Malfoy is like the biggest villain, I guess. I hate him. No offense though, Lucius. Peter Pettigrew, this one. Bellatrix Lestrange. Where's Bellatrix? Oh yeah, here's Bellatrix. Professor Quirrell, yeah, here. Then Aragog. Aragog is this one. Barty Crouch Jr. Barty Crouch Jr. This one, I guess, yeah. He played Barty Crouch, right? Yeah, it's correct. Gilderoy Lockhart. Yeah, that one was like annoying, really annoying. I can't find him though. Where's Gilderoy Lockhart? Oh yeah, here he is. Yeah. I got 3 answers wrong. You're a wizard, Harry. Yes. Wow, are you an honor because you know about all these dark wizards and witches? Harry would be proud. Thanks, Harry, if you are proud of me. But I got 3 of them wrong, which like just because of that stupid character. Let's play another one because I'm enjoying this. I don't know if you guys watch this or not, but like I probably shouldn't though. But like I do play these quizzes because I love Harry Potter a lot. Let's see which house I'm sorted into. Okay. This is going to be fun. I love this. So guys, let's take another Hogwarts sorting quiz because I love doing it. I've taken many quizzes, like almost every single website I've taken a quiz. But like I always get Gryffindor. Only in one website I get Slytherin all the time. But otherwise I always get Gryffindor. And even on wizardingworld.com, which is like the official sorting hat, where the official sorting hat is there, even there I'm Gryffindor. So let's see what like quiz I am. Let's play night sorting hat quiz because like we're playing it at night, so I like the fun. Which of these traits best describe you? It's so obvious. Like all these houses, it's so obvious. I guess I'm like very loyal, but I'm also very brave. I'm also clever, but I'm also cunning. So like best describes you, when it comes to best describes you, I guess my friends would describe me as like brave. I am kind of brave, I'd say that. Friend has a problem, they're being picked on. What do you do? So like I really like to defend my friends. It's like picking on them, then I'd obviously speak up for them. Even if they're not my friends, I'd still stand up for them because that's the kind of person I am. I don't like when someone bullies someone. You should stand up for it. So rush in without thinking and defend them. Yeah, probably this one. Quickly formulate a brilliant plan to help them. No, who can formulate a brilliant plan at that time? Like I probably can, but I won't. So like yeah, I'll just probably like, if they're my friend, then probably I'll just go and defend them. Obviously I'll not get into a physical fight like ever, I guess. Which of these would be the best pet ever? An owl or a phoenix, a hippogriff, a dog or a cat, or a snake or a lizard? So I'm all down for a dog or a cat. Owl are not really my thing, and like theme and like a cat, I like cats as well. And a phoenix, I don't know. I would love to have a pet phoenix, but they'll die and they'll come back to life, so that's really creepy. If you saw a sign or a door telling you not to enter, danger, what would you do? Okay, this one's kind of like tough. Laugh at the sign and go in as if anyone or anything can tell you what to do. That sounds so like me. If someone tells me not to do that thing, I'll definitely do that thing. So I guess that I'll do this one. Say is your worst trait. Reckless, you don't think before you act. A bit of know-it-all. Worst trait, really, you have no bad traits. You're too good for your own good. I'd say reckless. I act impulsively. I don't think twice before doing something, and later I regret doing things, so probably reckless. Would be your perfect way to spend the day. Spending time with family and friends, spending little money, going on an adventure, or curled up. Definitely not a book. Definitely not that one. Like spending a little money, no, that's just not me. I'm more of a saver. Spending time with friends and family sounds fine, but going on an adventure, it'll be the perfect way. I mean, I love going, like doing sports and like adventurous things. It just defines me. So I'll just do that one, because like I love doing all these things. I love like all those adventure sports. It sounds just so fun to me. Someone steals some money from you, but they're poor and they really need it. What do? You calculate a way for them to get help. They can keep the money, but only after a quick telling off. Who cares if they're poor? The money is yours, and no one ever takes what belongs to you. You let them keep it, befriend them, offer them your code. Okay, if they're probably stealing, then that's not good. So I not just let them have my money and also give them my code. So like probably I'll probably do the first one. Calculate a way for them to get help. They can keep the money, but only after quick telling off. If you have any superpower, which one would you like to have? No. Mind control, no. Super strength, I definitely not want that. Power of foresight, no, I don't want to do that. That's really creepy. Probably invisibility. I love invisibility. It'll be so cool if I'd be invisible. Which of these would be your perfect home? Somewhere wild, near nature, so anyway you can explore. A huge palace as grand as you are. Somewhere close to a huge library. A nice little place, safe, quiet, near family and friends. No, not a nice little place. I like lavish things too, but like if I can explore things, that will be really great though. So I'd probably choose that one. Huge palace, no, not a huge palace. It'll be like too much, because I'll have to go from a place to that place. So I don't want something like that huge. Well, I guess that like somewhere wild near nature, it'll be good. So these would be your would be your dream jobs. Harry Potter world, someone high up in the ministry. Real world, something high up in the government. No, definitely not that one. Harry Potter world, or real world, explorer, detective, something exciting. Then professor, definitely not. Child librarian, definitely not. So if you don't know, I would love to become a detective. I just love those things. I would love to be a detective personally. I don't know how to become a detective, but if any of you know, then I would love to become a detective, because I just do some very shady and secretive things. It's like my result. Okay, your house is Gryffindor. As I said, guys, I always get Gryffindor. So yeah, Harry Potter was in that house. Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, Minerva McGonagall, Albus Dumbledore. So I like Gryffindor. The next house which I like to Gryffindor is though Hufflepuff. Hufflepuff is my second favorite house after Gryffindor. I love Hufflepuff too. So yeah, so guys, as I promised you all for a shout out of the week for doing some good things and raising awareness for animal rights and LGBTQ community, or anything that you just show kindness to people. Today's shout out goes to this person right here. I'll insert the pictures in the videos. She helped a dog out. Unfortunately, the dog passed away within a month, but then she adopted another dog, which is like super sweet. Like her dog has grown a lot. So shout out to you. Next week shout out, all you have to do is to show kindness towards someone. It could be anyone, it could be your friend, it could be animals, it could be just anyone, and you have to show the pictures or tell the story on your Instagram stories, or you can also DM me. I do check DM sometimes, but most likely, but if you tag me, I'll definitely see your story and you'll be next week shout out. So guys, it's 4:30 and I don't think I'll do anything else other than watch just Netflix. I like basically chill. All I'm going to do, and I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Follow me on my Instagram at Samriddhi Awasthi and on Twitter at Samriddhi07. I follow you back. Also, you can for the shout out of the week, you can also tweet me at Samriddhi07, or you can also email me. It's at samriddhi.fanmail@gmail.com. It'll be linked in the description, all of my social medias, and in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next Saturday with a brand new video. Bye.